What's up guys, my name is Robin, I'm a light designer and operator, and today we're checking out the Betopper BSW200. It's a beam, it's a wash, it's a spot, it's everything. Let's check it out. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Sorry for the headphone users. So what do we have? A little safety. We have the user manual. We have a little lens cleaning cloth, power cable, of course. We have a bracket to mount it to a clamp. Some mushies. And there we have the fixture itself. Ta-da! And another XLR DMX cable. Nice. Put this away for now. So here we have it. The light. It's made out of a sturdy plastic. It has some fans, I see. It has a display and some buttons. On the back we have 3-pin XLR DMX in and out, power con in and out. We have a fuse, some nice handles, and on the bottom we have the possibility to mount the brackets to hang it on a single point mounting. In front we have a big lens. I see a lens inside which can move. Nice. Oh, and this is a LED strip which you can control as well. Okay, so what can I tell you about this light? So it consumes 240 watts of power. It has a 150 watt LED source. It has 24 RGB LEDs around the lens as well. It has 7 colors in a color wheel and white, of course. It has 7 gobos, 7 rotating gobos. It has a 3-facet prism. It can pan for 540 degrees and it can tilt for 270 degrees. So let's power it on and yeah, let's see what it all can do. So I connected them up to the MA to check out what all the functionalities are doing. So they're very bright, of course. It's a 150 watt LED. Which is very bright. It had 9 colors, 7 colors, I'm sorry. So the standard color wheel, all the basic colors you're gonna see, split colors as well, and then of course it will run through all the colors as well. Furthermore, it had a ring, so you can control this ring on the outside as well. So it's 24 LEDs you can control. You can put chases on it. If you control it via audio, via the microphone, and you let it play with the music, it will do all that by itself. What else does it have? Because it's a BeamSpotWash, BSW, so it can do a lot of things. Let me give you an example. So it has two lenses which can shift from each other, so you can adjust the size of your beam to make it a beam or a spot. And you can control, of course, the frost to make it a wash, to create a very fluid wash effect. It has gobos, of course, gobos and a prism which can rotate. You have one wheel with gobos that can't rotate, and you have one wheel with gobos that can rotate. You have a lot of different types of gobos. This is just a single rotating gobo. You can see here the line coming through and going. Of course, it has a strobe function. The prism, which gives a lot of nice beamies. So for the ring around the lens, you have full RGB controllability. So we have a green LED, we have the red LED, we have the green LED, we have the blue LED, which you can control individually, the color of course, and then it has a couple of predefined colors and some effects. It runs through some effects, and you have a second channel to increase and decrease the speed of the effect. And of course, it's moving it can move. This is at 50% speed. Let me put it down. So this is at full speed. So they're very fast. You have two channels for your pan, two channels for your tilt. So you have a fine channel as well. If you want to move it more subtly, you can do that as well. So, what is my final verdict about the BSW200 from Betopper? Well, they're great. They're very powerful. They have a lot of functionalities, gobos and focus-wise. There's not a lot of moving heads in this price range with two focus motors, which is great. It has beautiful gobos. It has a nice prism. It can rotate all, which is great.